Charlie, a clever chimpanzee, loved to swing through the trees. One day, his friend, a young bird named Sam, lost her nest in a storm. Charlie offered to help Sam rebuild her home. Using his agile hands and strong arms, Charlie gathered sticks and leaves to construct a cozy new nest. Sam was overjoyed and thanked Charlie for his kindness. As they sat together in the new nest, Charlie's friends admired his helpful nature. Charlie realized that using his skills to assist others brought him even more joy than swinging through the trees alone. From then on, Charlie was known as the jungle's go-to handyman.